Hi there, I'm Shelly. Welcome. We're just going to get right into it today. I'm getting a little bit of everything done around this messy house. If you're new here, I make weekly cleaning motivation videos as well as some other lifestyle videos sprinkled in. I feel free to subscribe. I would love to have you in this YouTube fam. First, I'm getting started with my son's laundry. There is some serious laundry motivation in this one, guys. Are you ready for it? I'm going to pop these into the washer and use my EOS, I believe is how you pronounce it, free and clear detergent. I love it for my son's clothes. There is no scent whatsoever. It's free and clear of all of the dangerous chemicals, and it really does a great job of getting all of the gunk up. He makes a big mess when he's eating, so that is something that we definitely need. If you haven't tried it out, I definitely recommend if you have little ones in the house. My babysitter puts his dirty clothes in these plastic bags, thank goodness, and that way it doesn't stink up and get all over his diaper bag. And also a good trick that I have found with keeping the cap clean is I always rinse it out with the water when it's filling up in the washer and then tossing it around like you saw. So now I'm going to go ahead and switch now that they are done. It took about 15 minutes or so. These are some older washer and dryer sets that we got from a family member that we had purchased. So it only takes about 15 minutes in our washer. I know they all vary. But now I'm going to go ahead and pop them in the dryer. And I don't use any of the, what are they called? The lint sheets or dryer sheets. I don't use those for his because I just want to keep everything as chemical free as possible for my son. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean up the kitchen. I do this a couple times throughout the video. This was like a whole weekend clean with me, and the kitchen gets messy. It's a catch-all for everything. We just drop everything and go. Life is crazy around here with a toddler. So I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's lemon verbena spray to wipe down the counters with a microfiber cloth. Makes my house smell nice and fresh. Feel free to use the Grove Collaborative link below and get your 5-piece free set. And honestly, it's such a great deal. It's how I got started with Grove. I was so impressed with my first order. Be sure to check out the video. I will have it linked above and below. It was one of my favorite videos to film, so I really think you'll enjoy it. Then I was taking a quick break to make some dinner. I was making fajitas, I believe. So I'm just cutting up a tomato and an avocado, and then I'll get continuing on to the cleaning.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh. Can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa.
Gosh, I cut through the pit. How does that happen?
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Disgusted with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm trying to live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start
And like I said, serious laundry motivation over here. So we are washing the bedding. I removed the duvet insert so that I could wash the cover. And I'm also doing the sheets, the blankets that we have on our bed, our pillowcases. I try to wash the bedding every 1 to 2 weeks. It really just depends. Usually falls on the back burner, but with my son, his diaper might leak, or he might spit up on the bed, he might poop on the bed, his drool might get everywhere, or spill his milk everywhere per usual, and that makes us clean it very often. Way more often than we used to, but hey, I guess that's a good thing. And I'm also just going to kind of pick up the room as well. I didn't really have a lot of time to like deep clean everything, but I also wanted to wipe down and disinfect our washer and dryer because I haven't since we got them. I did when we first bought them and put them in because they were kind of filthy, but I haven't done it since, and it's been about a year, so I thought I was due. The top kind of gets crazy. There's a lot of scratches and things on there that I can't get out. But hey, they work. I'm grateful to have them. And I one day will get a shelf in this laundry closet. That way I can have everything like in a bin up top and make it all cute and functional. That is totally on my list, my never-ending list of things I want to do. But in the meantime, this is what we're working with, and I'm perfectly fine with it. So let me know down below, how do you clean your washer and dryer? How often do you clean it? It's not something that I've ever really thought about, embarrassingly enough, so I just want to know what other people are doing. Let me know.
To the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you said.
And there are always dishes to be put away. Today it is my son's dishes, all of his bottles, sippy cups, his plates, utensils, things like that. And I love these drying mats that my aunt got me from TJ Maxx, and you can find them pretty much anywhere, but they are so great. It's like a fabric, but that way it doesn't soak your counters, and you can throw them in the wash to sanitize. Super convenient. I love them. It comes in a set of 2. So just some food for thought if you want to check that out yourself. I just love a clean counter. I love when I look into the kitchen and it's nice and clean, clutter-free. I feel like it is such a rarity around here. If I had to choose, probably anything that I wanted clean that I didn't have to do myself would probably be the kitchen. I don't know, that and laundry. The kitchen and laundry. Definitely. I hate laundry. But now I'm going to go ahead and vacuum up the kitchen and the living room. I didn't have time for vacuuming today, but I didn't have time for mopping today, but we did get a lot of stuff done around the house. So we had just got back from vacation when I was filming this, and a lot just kind of needed to be done. But I also did a deep clean before we left, so that helped as well. I'll also link that video above and below. Who else always does all of the chores with a child on their hip? My son is obsessed with the vacuum. He always wants me to vacuum. He'll come and try and bring the vacuum to me. If he can't move it, he freaks out. He starts clapping when I turn the vacuum on. He's so adorable. He's my little helper. So my arms are killing me by the end of it, and I'm gonna be full of muscle, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do, mom life. I say this in all my videos, but it is so time to do another purge of all of these toys. Who's with me? So I love this couch, and it's from RC Willie. It's really comfortable, and I love how big it is and that it has the chase and the cuddler, but the cushions, for whatever reason, they do not stay in place or center, and then it's just like so compact that it's hard to get them to be normal and what they're supposed to do. So that's what I'm doing right now, trying to get everything even and lined up, but it's just never perfect. It is what it is. At least it's really comfortable. But yeah, I do really like this couch. So check out RC Willie. You can definitely, they have like so many different customizable options. I had no idea how customizable RC Willie is. Maybe I'm new to that. I don't know if you have an RC Willie in your area. If you do, definitely look into it. And then I'm going to get my nice vacuum lines to complete the living room. Just makes everything feel so much more clean. After I vacuum, it is one of my favorite cleaning tasks that just is so satisfying and really brings it all together. I cannot wait to get one of the stick cordless vacuums because I'm always tripping over this cord, and I would love to have like the cool attachments so that I can get really detailed places like my car, getting the couch, you know, just everything. They're just really cool vacuums. I'm so jealous every time I watch everybody's cleaning videos and they have these awesome stick vacuums, but I know I will get one day, and I'm very excited for that. But now we are on to making the bed, and I was struggling pretty hard with this fitted sheet, so feel free to make fun of me below, but it took me a couple tries here. And I decided to not put the insert inside of the duvet cover this time. It's really hard to get it inside of it, and also the insert isn't big enough. Even though I ordered them both in queen, the sizes don't match, so I'm really actually liking it this way better at night. And I honestly think it makes the bed look better as well when it's made. I'm just gonna throw the pillowcases on and get on with my day. I needed to do a quick run through on the toilets, so I just used my Clorox wand on both of the toilets. I really like this wand. It's super convenient and easy, and I just love that it gets it disinfected. I don't have to constantly buy the toilet cleaner, and then also don't have to deal with like the sanitary issue of the brush. And now into the guest bathroom, and yes, there are clothes everywhere. Nothing ever stays clean, I swear. There is always something for me to film, so making these YouTube videos has really made me appreciate the mess, because then I have a video to film, and it's also made me enjoy cleaning. So hey, it's a win-win all around. I also want to mention too, I can't remember the brand of it. It's like Scrubbing Bubbles or something, the little blue tablets that you put in the basin of the toilet. That's why the water's blue. I don't like it. If you have hard water, I don't recommend it. It stains our toilet. So I would rather find the one that's clear and uses bleach. I think that would be a lot more beneficial for us. At first I liked it because it felt clean, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye!